What if I told you that while you're watching this video, there are businesses out there making an extra $50,000 per month while their owners sleep? Now, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is the reality of AI automation in 2025. And here's the crazy part. Most business owners are still doing everything manually, leaving literally thousands of dollars on the table every single month. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to grow your business, automate your operations, and finally get your time back. Let's dive in. Let me show you what's happening in the business world right now. 73% of businesses are already using AI in some form, but here's the shocking part. The remaining 27% are losing an average of $2,000 per month in missed opportunities. Think of AI as your most reliable employee who never gets tired, never calls in sick, and works 24/7. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think AI is only for big corporations with massive budgets. Today, there are AI tools available for under $50 per month that can revolutionize how you run your business.
Let me show you the customer service crisis that's costing businesses millions. The average business spends 40% of their time on customer inquiries. That's 16 hours per week. Here's what smart business owners are doing instead. AI chatbots can handle 80% of customer inquiries instantly. Let me show you the numbers. Customer response time from 4 hours to 30 seconds. Customer satisfaction increases by 45% on average. Here's a real example. One of my clients went from spending 20 hours per week on customer emails to just 3 hours.
Now let's talk about the moneymaker, sales automation. This is where AI gets really exciting. AI can analyze your customer data and predict who's most likely to buy from you. Lead scoring works like this. Traditional method. You contact 100 leads, 5 convert. That's 5%. AI-powered method. You contact 30 qualified leads, 12 convert. That's 40%. But here's where it gets really powerful. Personalization at scale. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone, AI customizes messages based on customer behavior. Real estate agent case study, 40% conversion rate increase in just 2 months. Content creation, the biggest time sink for business owners. Let me show you the solution. The average business owner spends 25 hours per week on content creation. AI can reduce this to 8 hours per week while increasing quality and consistency. Here's how the AI content process works. Step 1. Input your topic or keywords. Step 2. AI generates multiple variations. Step 3. You select and customize. Step 4. AI optimizes for your audience. Content output comparison. Traditional, 5 blog posts per month. AI-assisted, 20 blog posts per month. Social media posting, from 2 hours daily to 20 minutes daily. Here's the game changer. AI-powered business intelligence. Your business generates data from multiple sources. Website analytics, sales numbers, customer feedback, social media metrics, email performance, inventory levels. AI can analyze all this data and give you actionable insights instantly. Pattern recognition, AI spots trends 300% faster than human analysis. Predictive analytics in action, which customers will buy next, which products will trend, which marketing campaigns will succeed. When inventory needs restocking, ROI tracking becomes automatic. Real example, AI identified that customers who view product videos are 70% more likely to purchase. Let's recap what we've covered. The businesses implementing AI today are seeing average growth of 25% within 6 months. But here's the thing, knowing this information isn't enough. Pick one area we discussed today. Start there. Don't try to do everything at once. That's the recipe for overwhelm and inaction. Every day you wait is another day your competitors are getting ahead. Your automated AI-powered business is waiting for you. Which AI tool are you going to try first? Drop a comment below.